Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally doing a sit down video with my boo, my Shonu. So we both are welcoming you back. So I recently shopped quite a lot from Nykaa and she's trying to eat my artificial flowers. No! So I shopped quite a lot and I have a lot of things to show you guys because I bought a lot of things. So let's get right into this video and let's get started. The first thing that I got is the Fix Plus spray from MAC. That's this in the shade Pink Light. I really needed this. It's my favorite. I finished like 4 bottles of this one. Then I got my favorite lip color, that is the Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. It's a very good lip shade. I completely love it. I like this lip shade a lot. Then the next thing that I got is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. That's this. So, okay, in the last video, you all told me कि आप बताते नहीं हो prices. So, the lip sleeping mask was for, I think 1,000 rupees. This was for 1950. This was again for, the Huda Beauty lipstick is for, I think it's around 1800. It was for 1800. Then this is the lip sleeping mask. The packaging is so cute. And oh my god, the smell, guys. The smell is super good. It smells like strawberries. Like I feel like eating it right now. It smells like candy. Very nice. Then I got a few more things. Then I have to open this package. Then this is the Laneige. This is the Laneige Sika sleeping mask. So this is the sleeping mask. It's the mini size. It has no smell. No smell, yeah. So that's that. Then I have another big box. I got this fan for free from Too Faced. This is like a hand fan. I haven't opened it as it's just too cute to be opened. So I didn't open it at all. Then I purchased the water bank eye gel. I purchased 2 of them, one for me, one for my mom. I gave the one that I got for my mom, and this is the one that is for me. So it's a very good eye gel and I've been using it for a long time, so I just like restocked it. It's like this. Then when you open it, take out this thing and it's like this. The texture is very good. It's thick on your under eyes, but it just works like magic for your under eyes and for your this area. It's very good. I like it. It's my favorite product. Then I got 2 lip injections. One I again gave it to my mom because she really likes it. So this is the other one. Then I have one hangover primer. No, Sanza, no. Then I got the duo of Too Faced, which has the Becca's Champagne Pop highlighter. I really like the Champagne Pop and I could never get the bigger size, so I thought of purchasing the tinier one. This is the highlighter. It's just beautiful, you guys. It's pretty. It's very pretty. That's that. And it was for, I think the duo was cheaper. Like it was for around 1400 or 1300. I don't really remember, but it was very cheap. I purchased these 2 together as a duo. Then this is the lip gloss. This is the sparkling lip gloss of Too Faced, which again I love. This is the smaller one. I completely love this. I have the bigger one also. So yeah, this. Then I got the hangover eye primer for free. Then I purchased this was also for free. Then I also purchased the lips the Pixi Endless Shade Stick. It's an eyeshadow stick. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is an eyeshadow stick, a very nice eyeshadow stick. So the color is really good. Plus I wanted an eyeshadow stick because I travel a lot and I usually don't like carrying a lot of makeup. I just want to carry 3 things, like my lipstick, my mascara and like some eyeliner or something, because I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. so don't like carrying a lot. Then the next thing, for the next thing I'll have to get up, so I'm just gonna show you what's in this bag. Ooh, my bee-boo, come. You wanna sit here? You wanna sit on my lap? Okay, I got this Nykaa pouch free because I purchased a lot of things. Then I got the K Beauty Self Love palette, which was for 1,200 rupees. Again, it's a very good palette. Completely love it. Like, the packaging is so cute, you guys. I just cannot get over the packaging of K Beauty. It's super cute. Then I got the other eyeshadow palette, Pure Bloom, in the K Beauty eye palettes. Then the next thing that I got is a lip injection. This is the new lip injections which have just come in the shade, I don't know the shade, but it's like Maximum Plump, and it's like the pinkish shade. It's pink, so that's that. This is again for like 1,800 or 1,500 something. I'll just check. This was for 2,000 rupees. Sorry, this was for 2,000 rupees. These palettes were for 1,200 each. Then I got the Too Faced Be My Lover. This is the eyeshadow palette which I really wanted since a very long time, and I finally got my hands on this palette. This is a beautiful palette. It's like a very small travel size palette because I'm traveling so much. I wanted a small palette for myself, and oh my god, snow. This is so pretty, you guys. This is so beautiful. Like, I cannot get over this palette. It's so pretty. I want to use it every day. I'm about to go for a holiday, a staycation, so I'm going to take this palette along with me. Then the next thing that I got is the YSL perfume. I love this perfume. It's my favorite and I ran out of it, so I just restocked on this one. I've opened it already, so I'm going to show you the bottle. The bottle is, I love this perfume just because of the bottle and the packaging. The bottle is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. And also last week I purchased one more bag from Louis Vuitton and some heels from Christian Dior. So I'm gonna do a haul for that soon. That's gonna be a luxury haul for you guys. I'm super excited to do that and super excited for you guys to see my haul. So that's all that I purchased. Also, I purchased the eye patches from Pixi. I got these ones. One second. I got these patches from Pixi, the Detoxify, and I have tried them on. They've been like doing amazing. I just put them here and they like work nicely for me. So that's what I shopped from Nykaa and what I got from Nykaa. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit Shant Shivangi. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit a thumbs up, comment and share it with your friends. Do tell everyone to subscribe, guys. Please, yeah, I'm working really hard. Please tell people to subscribe. Bye bye. I love you all so much. Mwah.